11 cash boxes were destroyed after the armored car transporting them caught fire on Wednesday in southwest China's Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region. Burned cash could be seen scattered around on the ground outside the vehicle, but the amount of lost cash is not yet known. Guards on the vehicle said it suddenly caught fire while traveling on an expressway linking the regional capital of Nanning and the city of Qinzhou in southern Guangxi. The vehicle's occupants said they noticed fire coming out of the front of the vehicle about 1 kilometer away from a toll gate. They tried to take the boxes of cash with them while evacuating, but were not able to get them out in time. Police said the cause of the fire is under further investigation.